Hey there, it's Tally, and today I'm going to dive into Customer Ad Hoc. Bravo's Ad Hoc Reporting gives you the ultimate flexibility to create infinite desired reports on the fly. Ad Hoc reports are broken down by category, and in this video, we're jumping into Customer Ad Hoc. We're going to begin by using the criteria picker. There are more than 60 options available to choose from, including first time in, last time in, total loans, buys, and sales, and transacted between dates. Use the Max Rows drop-down to select how many line items you'd like Bravo to pull up. Use the blue operator to select exactly what you're looking for. Equals, range, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and more. In this example, we're going to track how many brand new loan customers we have had this month. We can use this to calculate our ROI for generating new business. I'll start by finding transacted between and I'll select the date range. Next, I'll choose greater than or equal to 1. You can pick as many different criteria as you'd like. I'm going to save this report for quick access. I'll name it and click Save. Here's my report. Now I can filter and sort. I'll use the column chooser to add more columns to the report. From here, I can tell which customers have downloaded MobilePawn. Gray means they haven't yet activated it, and green means they have. The SMS column shows us who I can text message. Green means we have their mobile number, gray means we're missing it, and DNT means do not text. If I want to print, save, or email this report, I click Print List. Bravo can export into 10 different file formats, including CSV and Excel. This report is fully saved and ready for repeat use. If you want to learn more about Customer Ad Hoc, visit the Solution Center and type in Customer Ad Hoc. Rather talk to somebody live? Give us a call at 888-407-6287, option 3. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.